Dear ladies and gentlemen, I would like to shortly introduce our Fermentation Pilot Plant Laboratory, which is also called as FLabor and which is responsible for bioprocess engineering. We are dealing with microbial fermentations from a scale of starting of 0.3 liters up to 300 liters, and our equipment are made from glass or stainless steel or also arranged as photobioreactors. We are very proud on the fact that the known biotechnology was first used by a Hungarian researcher called Károly Ereky, and after his activities, the main three branches of biotechnology received the three color codes of the Hungarian flag. Now I'm going to introduce you our activities along these three fields of biotechnology. The first field is the red biotechnology, which is also called as healthcare biotechnology. We are very active on developing probiotics and probiotics. Here you can see Bifidobacterium strain which was successfully used for media development, media optimization, and also developing a probiotic test. For that we used an impedimetric system. We are also interested in lactobacilli, which we used successfully for a probiotic beetroot juice development, which has originally a quite unpleasant taste, but finally we supplemented it with stevia rebaudiana extract according to our pressurized hot water extraction method. And finally the product received quite good acceptance by the customers. And the second area is the biotechnology, which is also called as industrial biotechnology. For that we focused for many years on lactic acid fermentations, also on L-lactic acid and D-lactic acid fermentations, on many different raw materials with many different strains, and on many different art of fermentations. Regarding the downstreams, we developed three processes based on transistorification, membrane separations, and precipitations. And finally, the overall process was flow sheeted, and this flow sheet was successfully used for designing a Hungarian biorefinery. Our last area is the green biotechnology, which is also called as agro, feed and food biotechnology, where we are active on development of biodetergents producing bacteria, which are quite effective against fungal diseases of crops, and we also are developing bioinsecticides. The last area of us is the autotrophic and heterotrophic culture of microalgae, which we are also using for agricultural purposes. To conclude my talk, I would like to emphasize that we are focusing on many types of bioprocess development, also including the equipment development. We can start the work from lab scale to pilot scale. We are ready to make feasibility studies, and we are also interested in feed, food, and agro-waste utilizations, as well as to make solutions for sustainable and circular economy. Thank you very much for your kind attention.